Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a really long time, but I'm gonna upload a video and let you guys know what I've been up to in the past 6 months. So we're gonna be going in with our Kabrow gel from Benefit, and I'm in the shade 4.5. And I lost my eyebrow brush, so I had to use the little one that comes on it, and I don't really like that little brush, but that's why it looks so messy. Now we're going in with the Precisely My Brow to just blend everything out and make little hair-like strokes. So now we're going to be taking our Tarte shape tape, and we're just going to be really defining our eyebrows. And just blending it all out. So now we're taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault palette in the Dark Magic, and we're taking the shade Poof, and we're just using that like really to just set that shape tape. And now we're taking the color Shh and we're just putting that into our crease area, and we're just doing a whole lot of blending. I think I packed this color on like a good amount of times. So now we're taking the color Potion and we're blending that into our crease. It's a really pretty green color, I liked it. The only one I had a hard time with was the blue color. You guys will see it. It looks really nice, but I feel like it blended too much into the green, so maybe I'll just use these colors separately. Now we're taking the color Shh again.
Invincible.
So now we're taking the color Busted, and we're just gonna pack that onto our eyelids. It's a really nice color, but I just feel like overall you could really see the green more than you can the blue. I packed it on pretty good. And now we're just going to get our shape tape to cut a crease. And I actually got this tip from one of my coworkers. She does like really pretty like live get ready with me's on her channel. You guys should follow her. I'll link her little Instagram down below. Now we're just taking that green color again, and we're using a small little definer brush, and we're just putting that in the inner corners just to make a more definition. We're getting the color Power Cut, and we're gonna put that all over our lid. Now we're taking our Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liner in the color Chaos, and we just made really nice wings. I'm getting our Porefessionals from Benefit. And I'm just putting that all in my T-zone area where my pores were huge. And now we're getting our double wear. I'm in the shade Rattan. If that's even how you say it.
Here we go.
We're just gonna conceal our face. I'm in the shade Light Neutral and Shape Tape, just in case you guys are wondering. And now we're going to be getting our Lancôme Long Time No Shine Translucent Powder. This is my favorite setting powder, guys. They just came out with it and it is so good. So if you're like an oily person like I am, this is probably going to be your guys' favorite setting powder too. So now we're getting the color Busted again with that same small little definer brush. And we're just going to put that in our waterline. And now we're getting my bronzer in Lorac, and it's in the shade Sundays. I'm just gonna bronze up our face and contour, if you will. I'm just blending it out because that was a little too crazy. I'm just gonna highlight our face. I actually was using the Bretman Rock and Morphe little highlight palette. I forgot to put that in there. Now we're going in with our gimme brows because, as you can see with my baby hairs, that powder made my eyebrows all white. It looks like I have gray hair, but it's not. It's just powder. And now we're going in with our Urban Decay Conspiracy lip liner. That's my favorite. And the liquid lipstick I'm putting on is Ashton from Anastasia. But yeah, guys, this concludes my look. I did add eyelashes and eyeliner and mascara, but this completes my look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later.